No, you're not taking
on
exit.
that on-ramp. What's tree?
Whoa. No, you actually have to slow down here.
Look at this shit. Oh my, dude, imagine driving this at night. Fuck that.
Dude, yeah, right.
There's so much ice. That looks like a...
Oh, this is awesome. Look at that.
So
oh, man.
Holy shit. Dude, how is this fucking road open?
I don't know, man. Look at how bad the ice is.
You have a semi? You're not driving on this road.
Every single tree is down.
Take a picture of my phone. John, take a picture of my phone.
You should pull over for a second, Tron.
Let me keep driving.
Oh, forgot about my camera.
Here, John, take a picture of me. Roll down your window.
Look at the telephone pole. Drive into it.
No, it's on the line.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a good point.
John, get a picture of this shit.
Don't touch it, Sean. Ices.
Yes, power line's down.
Try to.
Oh, fuck.
Shit.
Oh, man.
Yeah, we need to turn around.
Yes, we do.
Wow, man. I can just drive up to the tree there. I don't think we're going any further up here.
No.
Get a and drive. Just hop it over.
Yeah.
Hi.
I don't know.